How will you compete in the future? By bringing design and manufacturing processes closer together. It starts with your data at the center, establishing a unified product definition, connecting everyone at every stage of the process. Connect your workflows, industrial design, electronics, mechanical engineering, and simulation, so that your entire team can collaborate seamlessly. Connect engineering directly to manufacturing with generative design. Explore options, confident your results will be viable for production. Bridge the gap between designers in the studio and machinists on the shop floor, reducing waste and rework. Connect everyone in your factory and your factory to your supply chain. Gain actionable insights and get your product to market faster. With everything connected, you can start automating your business to compete today and tomorrow. This is the future of making. It's here, now, from Autodesk.